Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, as you know, your summer vacations are going to start from June 13, 2021. So I have arranged some tasks for you, so you have to do it, and there are some, you can say, exciting activities for you to recall your previous lessons. Okay, so let's begin. So dear students, I have compiled 3 tasks for you, and you can select any one of them, and all the tasks having or carries equal marks, and that's 15 marks. Okay, you just have to select only one task you would like to. So your first activity or task is, you have to find a bunch of pictures of living things and non-living things and paste them on colorful pages or on a chart paper. Okay, and the another thing of doing this task is you can draw the pictures. Okay, so your second task is draw or paste the pictures of the things that we can get from farm animals. Okay, and task number 3, you have to draw the or paste the pictures of the things we can get from plants. Okay dear students, so you can select one task that you would like to do it. Okay, now dear students, let's talk about activity 1. In this activity, you need a color paper book. You have seen the drawing book that has color papers. So if you will take that, it will be more convenient for you. And if you want to draw the pictures of some living things and non-living things, that's very good. Or the easiest thing you can do is you can download some pictures of living things and some of non-living things and paste them on the papers or the chart paper. So in this way, what will you get is that what is the benefit of this activity is that you will be able to differentiate well between living things and non-living things. Okay, on a chart paper or the colored paper book, you can do is you can make 2 columns, or you can use different pages. On one page, you have to label the page with living things and paste or draw some pictures of living things, and on another page you can draw or label the page with the heading non-living things and draw or paste the pictures of non-living things. Okay, if dear students you are using a big chart, then you can make 2 columns. Okay, living things and non-living things, and I would prefer that you have to use a colored paper book. That will be more good, and it you can keep that book safely, and it will be more convenient to keep it safely there at your homes. So buy a colored paper drawing book, and on one page make it label it with living thing, and another page label it with non-living thing. Paste or draw the pictures on under the heading, and that's it, your task is done. So students, to recall the previous lesson, living things, you know, are the things that can grow and change, and we have learned that animals, plants and human beings, we all are living beings. So you can draw or paste the pictures of any animal, plant or a human being under this heading, living things. And dear students, non-living things are the things that cannot grow and change and move also. So you can draw or paste any picture of non-living things, like I have pasted ball or drum or table, lamp, pencil box or pencil holder, and toys also are non-living things because they cannot grow and change. Now look at this slide. I have given you two options. You can make two different columns to paste or draw the pictures of living things and non-living things, or you can make some flashcards of living things and non-living things like I have pasted, and you can paste it on a page. Okay. Your second task or activity is you have to draw or paste the pictures of the things we can get from farm animals, and they are called useful animals also. These animals can be kept on a farm like cow, goat, sheep, hen, duck, and horses also, in a way that horses carry loads and they help us to ride on it. So these are the useful animals, or they are called farm animals. So you can draw or paste the pictures of the things we can get from these farm animals. Okay. Okay, dear students, now look at the slide. I have made it so for your guidance. You can make it in the same way I have made, that key, draw or paste some pictures of some useful animals, like I have pasted this picture of a cow, goat, sheep and hen. So I have pasted the pictures of some things that we can get from the cow, or cow gave us milk, and you know that cheese and yogurt and cream and butter can be made out of this milk. And we can get also cow's meat. Okay, meat that is called beef, we get it from the cow. In the same way, I have pasted a picture of another useful animal or farm animal is goat, and goat gave us milk and meat also, and the goat's meat is called mutton. So you eat that mutton is goat's meat. Next is sheep, and we get wool to make woolen clothes from this sheep's skin or hair. Okay, so this is sheep, and it is wool we can get from the sheep. Now I have pasted the picture of a hen, and we can get hen's meat, that's called chicken, and eggs also, and all the burgers, pizzas and the things that can be made of hen's meat called chicken, we can get from the hen. So these are the examples I have given. You can paste some more pictures or some more farm animals you want to. Okay, so in this way you can make a very colorful chart or colorful pages. You can I am suggesting you to make a different paper, take a drawing book of color pages. On one page paste the picture of a cow, and then draw or paste the things you can get from the cow. On the next page, paste the picture of goat and draw or paste the things we can get from the goat. Then sheep, then hen, and in the same way likewise you can do it. Okay, it will look so good, and it will be you can keep this lap book, or you can say this book, keep safely with you for the long time. So dear students, your third activity is draw or paste the pictures of the things we can get from plants. You know that plants are so much useful for us. So in this way, you will be able to understand about the uses of the plants. So dear students, I have told you that you can use a drawing book with the colored pages for your tasks. It will be, I suggest you whatever you would like, you can do it. You can use a big chart paper to paste or draw the pictures, or a plain page, or anything you have, or you can get easily, you can use it for these activities. Okay. So now as you can see on the slide, I have pasted a picture of a big tree. You can draw it also, and then I have pasted some things we can get from the plants, like plants give us fruits, vegetables, oil can be made from the plants like castor, sunflower, mustard and coconut plant, and trees also give us wood to make furnitures and all the things that can be made out of wood. Papers also can be made out of wood, and there are some special plants from which the paper can be made, and eucalyptus and bamboo, and these are used to make papers. And rubber can be made of rubber plant, and all the rubber things can be made of rubber, and that rubber we can get from the plants. And the most important things we can get or plants give us is oxygen gas, that we need oxygen gas to live or to breathe in. So all the oxygen gas that is present in the air is given by the plants. And last picture I have pasted is coffee plant, tea plant and sugar cane. So you can say that all the things we are getting or we need to for our food, as a food, we can get from the plants. Okay, in the same way you can draw or paste the pictures of all the things we can get from the plants. So dear students, you have seen all the three activities I have given you. You just have to do one activity. Select any one activity you would like to do, or you will find it easy or convenient for you. You can do it. And for each activity there are equal marks. You will get 15 marks for this activity, and you have to send me the pictures of your activities, or you can paste it on, attach your pictures in Google Classroom for the marks. And with these activities you have been given for all the subjects. You must continue reading and writing to improve your reading and writing skills. You must continue practicing reading and writing. Okay. So I hope you will do the same I have told you, and so that's it. Allah Hafiz, and have a nice and good summer vacations. Allah Hafiz, take care.